Hello and welcome today. We're going to discuss an important topic that affects millions of experienced drivers. Car insurance after the age of 60. Reaching your 60s is a milestone. With it comes decades of driving experience, a driving history that likely surpasses most younger drivers and often a change in our driving habits. But how does all this translate to the world of car insurance? Is it cheaper, more expensive? What factors come into play? Many assume that with age and experience, car insurance premiums automatically go down. And while that's largely true for drivers in their 50s and 60s, the story doesn't end there. As we move into our 70s and 80s, the trend can reverse. In this script, we'll break down everything you need to know, from how insurers view senior drivers, the factors that influence your rates, to the specific discounts you can leverage. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge to make informed decisions, ensuring you have the right coverage at the best possible price. So buckle up and let's get started. Part 1. Age is more than just a number. How insurers view senior drivers for insurance companies. It all comes down to risk. They use a vast amount of data and statistics to predict the likelihood of a driver filing a claim. Age is one of the most significant factors in this equation. The golden years of driving 50s and 60s. The good news is that drivers in their 50s and 60s often enjoy some of the lowest car insurance premiums. Why? Vast experience. You've been on the road for decades. Proven track record. You likely have a long history of safe driving. No claims bonus. Many drivers in this age group have built up a substantial no-claims bonus over the years. Statistics often show this demographic to be safer and less likely to have accidents compared to younger drivers. The turning point 70s and beyond, however. As drivers enter their 70s and 80s, insurance companies begin to see a statistical increase in risk. This isn't a judgment on your individual driving ability, but a trend based on aggregate data. The reasons for this shift in perception include reaction times. Studies suggest reaction times can naturally slow with age. Higher risk of injury. Older drivers have a higher chance of sustaining serious injuries in an accident, which can lead to more costly medical claims. Medical conditions. The prevalence of medical conditions that could affect driving, such as vision or hearing impairments, tends to increase with age. It's crucial to understand that this doesn't mean your insurance will skyrocket overnight when you turn 70. The increase is usually gradual. In fact, some insurers like Geico offer guaranteed renewal for drivers over 50 who meet certain criteria, combating the idea that age alone is an exclusionary factor. Part 2. Key factors that shape your premium band. Age. Several other factors play a crucial role in determining your car insurance premium. Understanding them gives you the power to influence your costs. Your driving record. This is, by far, one of the most important factors. A clean record, free of accidents and tickets, is your best asset for lower rates. Insurers reward safe driving. Annual mileage. Are you driving less now that you're retired? Make sure your insurer knows. Less time on the road means a lower risk of accidents, which can translate to lower premiums. The vehicle you drive, the type of car you own matters. Cars with good safety ratings that are less expensive to repair and are less attractive too. Thieves generally cost less to insure. Luxury or electric vehicles with specialized parts can increase insurance costs. Your location, living in an area with less traffic and lower crime rates, can reduce your premium, coverage, and deductibles. The amount of coverage you choose and the deductible you're willing to pay will directly affect your premium. A higher deductible typically means a lower premium. Part 3. Unlocking savings. Discounts for senior drivers. Know for the exciting part, saving money. Senior drivers have access to a variety of discounts. Don't assume your insurer will apply them automatically. You often have to ask. Mature driver discount. Many companies offer a discount simply for reaching a certain age, often around 55. Defensive driving courses. This is one of the most common and effective discounts. Completing a state-approved safe driving course can lower your premiums by 5% to 15%. Organizations like AARP and AAA offer these courses low mileage discount. If you drive fewer than a certain number of miles per year, you could qualify for a significant discount. Membership discounts. Being a member of organizations like AARP can give you access to special rates. Government and military retiree discounts. If you have a military or government service background, be sure to ask about available discounts. Policy bundling. Multi-policy. Combining your car insurance with your home or renter's insurance with the same company almost always results in savings. Usage-based programs. Telematics. Consider a usage-based insurance program like Liberty Mutual's RightRag or Geico's Drive VC. These programs use an app or a small device to monitor your driving habits and reward you for safe driving with lower premiums. Part 4. Choosing the right coverage for your golden years as your lifestyle changes. So do your insurance needs. It's a good idea to review your policy annually to ensure it still fits your needs. Re-evaluating your coverage. Comprehensive and collision coverage. If you drive an older car with a low market value, it may no longer be cost-effective to pay for full coverage. The payout in the event of an accident might be less than what you've been paying in premiums. In such cases, switching to liability-only coverage could be a smart financial move. Liability coverage. This is the foundation of any car insurance policy and is required by law in most states. It covers damages to others if you're at fault in an accident. It's vital not to skimp on liability limits, as a major accident could put your assets and retirement savings at risk. Optional coverages to consider. Roadside assistance. This can be a lifesaver if you're stranded, especially for those who travel alone. Rental reimbursement covers the cost of a rental car if yours is in the shop. After a covered accident. Medical payments coverage. MedPay. This coverage can help pay medical bills for you and your passengers, regardless of who is at fault. Special health considerations. It is imperative to be honest with your insurer about any medical conditions that could affect your ability to drive safely. This includes vision problems, neurological conditions, or anything that might impact your reaction times. Failure to disclose such conditions could lead to a claim being denied. Part 5. Top insurers and shopping tips. Car insurance market is competitive, which is good news for you as a consumer. Top insurers for senior driver several companies are known for their competitive rates and benefits for older drivers. Based on various reviews, some of the top options include USAA consistently offers some of the lowest rates, but it is limited to military members and their families. Geico, known for affordable rates and a variety of senior discounts, including discounts for government and military retirees nationwide, often cited for providing good value and safe driving discounts. State Farm, recognized for its customer service and customizable coverage options. AARP The Hartford offers discounts and benefits specifically designed for AARP members. Progressive, good for drivers with a DUI on their record and offers the Snapshot usage-based program. The power of shopping around. This is the single most important piece of advice. Shop around. Don't just settle for the first quote you receive. Rates can vary significantly from one company to another. Get at least 3 quotes before you renew your policy. Get quotes from at least 3 other insurers. Compare apples to apples. Make sure each quote has the same coverage levels and deductibles for an accurate comparison. Don't limit yourself to specialty providers. While specialty senior policies exist, they aren't always the cheapest option. Always compare against standard insurers. Conclusion: taking control of your car insurance. Driving after 60 is a new chapter. Your decades of experience are a valuable asset, and while the insurance system may seem complex, you are now equipped with the knowledge to navigate it with confidence. Remember the key takeaways. Your premium is influenced by your driving record, mileage, and the car you drive. Age plays a role, with rates often decreasing in your 60s, but potentially rising in your 70s and beyond. But you are not just a passenger on this journey. By being proactive, you can take control, review your policy annually, Ask for discounts, especially for defensive driving and low mileage, and, most importantly, compare quotes. By taking these steps, you can ensure you're not only safe on the road but also financially secure with a car insurance policy that fits your lifestyle and your budget. Thank you for joining us. Drive safely and save smartly.